I learned in life, you're going to find yourself in situations where you're going to have to jump out and you're going to have to abort the project. You know what I mean? You're going to have to dive. But when you dive, always have a parachute. Always have a plan B, C, D, F, G. You know what I mean? Always network yourself where you control your downtime. Um, Opportunities can come to you if you plant seeds. So don't be dependent on one situation because this one situation can go foul fast. And when you get a good one can go good until that project is over. You know what I mean? I've been on both sides of the stick. But I will say this, don't jump out the situation yet unless you got a parachute. So that way it won't damage your stability. But if you good and you got a little cushion, you got a little money, you say, I'm good, I can find something else, I got time, dive and let it be what it is. You know what I mean? Because one thing I know, a job will try to make their situation or their problems become your problems. And they had them problems before they ever met you. So when it's time for you to move on, move on. Hold on.